So if you know you have not been taking pumpkin seeds, or you do go to the grocery and just walk past it, this is the time for you to match your break. When you get to that counter where you have these amazing seeds.
Hey. Thank you, Jesus.
Yes, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the amazing benefits of these great seeds, pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are actually a very excellent food for us. They are loaded with valuable nutrients. They are very, very rich in antioxidants. They help to fight against all manner of diseases in our body. Pumpkin seeds are very, very high in magnesium. Yes, they help to regulate our blood sugar. Pumpkin seeds are very high in fiber. They are excellent food for weight loss as well. So if you know you have been battling with weight loss and you have not been taking pumpkin seed, please do consider incorporating pumpkin seeds in your diet. They are very, very excellent for you. Yeah, the reason being pumpkin seeds are very, very high in protein and they are very low in calories. You can actually add them to your smoothie, or you can take them just like this, or you make them as soups. And for those of you that are Nigerians, or for those of us that are Nigerians or related to Nigerian family, you can actually replace your egusi soup with pumpkin seeds. If you want to make egusi soup, you can actually use this instead of using egusi. And again, if you are a man, you are battling with low sperm counts, consider incorporating pumpkin seeds in your diet. As it is now, you can actually eat this with banana. You can add it to your smoothie, or you make them as soup. All right, they are a very excellent one for you, and you are going to see how nourishing it is going to be. It is going to speed up your sperm count. All right, because madam needs to drink enough yogurt. So pumpkin seeds are a very good one. You can use them actually for any kind of dish. All right. Yes, they help to speed up our immunity. Pumpkin seeds help to fight against heart diseases. They help to fight against certain cancers as well. So these seeds are amazing. Yes, pumpkin seeds are actually excellent food for us as adults, and they are excellent food for kids as well. All right. You can buy it from anywhere, any grocery shop around you. The Spanish call it pipa calabaza. All right. So you can actually buy it anywhere. All right, mind you, this is not a sponsored video. I just decided to share with you the amazing benefits of these great seeds. Okay, yeah, I'll be seeing you all in my next one. Thank you all so much for watching, and please do not watch this video alone. All right, do share with your friends and family. You can sow a seed in the life of someone with this, and again, it helps to fight against bladder diseases. Yes, it helps to fight against bladder dysfunction. So if you know you have not been taking pumpkin seeds, bye.